Hi guys, and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I want to show you how to crochet these super cute and no-sew capybaras. So let's start with the tutorial. I'm using this Grindel Funny Uni chenille yarn. It has 100 gram and 120 meters. You can see it right here. And I'm using a 5mm crochet hook. This is European size. And of course, we need a scissors. I'm using this thread as a stitch marker. We need some safety eyes. These are 10mm safety eyes. We also need a yarn needle. If you don't have one, you can also use a crochet hook to weave the ends in. And of course, we need some stuffing material. We're starting with the dark color and just make a loop and make chain 2, or you can make a magic ring, and we're going to make 6 single crochets into our first chain. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is my first stitch, and now we need 6 increases, so always 2 single crochets into the same stitch. So here we have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now I'm going to use my stitch marker for the next round. Just lay it inside your work, and the next round, round 3, is 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 6 times. So repeat this until the end of the row. 1 single crochet and 1 increase. After this round, you can remove the stitch marker and just lay it in for the next round. And for row 4, we need the second color. So I'm going to remove the last stitch. We have 2 loops on the hook and ending up this single crochet with the new color, like this. And now we're going to make from row 4 until row 7 only single crochets, and you can crochet in these ends right here, so we don't have to weave them in like this. So for row 4 until row 7, including row 7, only single crochets. After some stitches with crocheting in the ends, you can cut the darker yarn and just continue to crochet only single crochets. So here we have row 4 to row 7. This is the beginning of row 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now we're going to continue with row 8. And row 8 starts with 2 increases. So 1 and 2. and the next one is also an increase. And now we have to make 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next stitch is a decrease. So just go under the front loop of the next 2 stitches and crochet them together like this. 1 single crochet. Again, 1 decrease. Now 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we have 2 stitches left. They are also 2 increases. And now we're going to continue with row 9. Row 9, we're going to make 1 single crochet. And now take the second color for our first leg. Get into the next stitch and just make a slip stitch. And now we're going to make a bubble stitch. So yarn over the hook and 1 double crochet, but don't end it up. Make it like this for 5 times. Always the first half of a double crochet until you made it for 5 times, always into the same stitch. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the darker yarn and also 1 loop from the lighter yarn. Take the lighter yarn and end up the stitch. And there's 1 stitch under the leg that's very important to crochet it, and just take the light yarn and make a single crochet. And now we have in total 16, so 15 single crochets left with only the lighter brown yarn. So just end up before you have 2 stitches left for the round. These are my 2 stitches. I need 1 more single crochet. Take again the darker brown, get into the next stitch and make the same as you've made before. Just make a slip stitch. It looks like this in the inside. 1 slip stitch here and 1 bubble stitch with the darker brown. But also again end it up with the lighter brown yarn. So 5 times for the bubble stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And yeah, take the lighter brown to end the stitch. So 1 stitch is left, and this one is just a normal single crochet. Row 10 until row 12 are only single crochets, and you can also crochet in here the end of the darker brown, so you don't have to sew it in later. Now is a very good point to place the eyes. They are placed between the 5th and 6th round. So we have 2 rounds of the lighter yarn, then the eye. So from the leg here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3 stitches to the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches between the eyes. So let's continue with row 13. We have row 10 till 12 right here. And row 13 is one row of only single crochets, except the last stitch. The last stitch is also again one bubble stitch for one leg. So here's our last stitch. Insert again a hook, make one slip stitch with the brown color, now without the stitch marker, and make a bubble stitch ending with our normal body color with the brown, lighter brown yarn. Now we need our last leg. So this was last row. Remove the stitch marker, take it in your work again, and we make 2 normal single crochets. Don't forget the stitch under the leg. 1 and 2. It's up to you if you're going to crochet the brown yarn, darker brown, in or not. And now we make with the third stitch our last leg with 1 bubble stitch again. And the rest of the row are only single crochets. You can also again crochet the end of the dark brown yarn in, and yeah, just cut the yarn if you've made some stitches with crocheting it in. Yeah, just single crochets until the end of the row. For row 15, we're going to make a 1 single crochet and 1 decrease until we have 2 stitches left, and these 2 stitches are also only a 1 decrease. So here's our first decrease, and again 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and here we have the 2 stitches. Just make 1 decrease. And this is a good point for stuffing our capybara. For row 16, we're just going to make 6 decreases. And now I'm going to make a slip stitch into the next stitch and leave a little bit tail for ending and closing our plushie. Yeah, just pull the yarn through. And now we need our yarn needle, and we're going to close our capybara. Just go through the front loop of every stitch until you finish your round like this. And pull it gently, and yeah, just come out anywhere for hiding the tail inside the cappy. And cut the yarn and hide the end inside the capybara. Now we need some ears, and I've prepared one to show you where to place them. So this ear is 1, 2, 3, 3 rows behind our eye. So this is the row where we have to place it a little bit over the eye and go from the front to the back with your crochet hook. Make a slip stitch with the brown yarn like this, and then we're going to make 1 single crochet all into the same stitch, 1 half double crochet, yarn over the hook, pull it through and pull through all the loops. Again, 1 single crochet, and again 1 slip stitch also into the same stitch like this. And now you can cut the yarn, leave a little bit for hiding the ends, pull the yarn through, and your ear is finished. We just have to sew in the ends of the brown yarn. Your capybara is finished. If you enjoyed the video, it would be amazing if you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just write them down in the comments. And it would be amazing to see you into the next tutorial.